Right, so my tip of the day today is drill bit holder, which seems pretty obvious, or at least a screwdriver bit holder. It seems an obvious thing to have probably for a lot of you, but to start off with, when I first started, I'd start off with one of these ones, which was, I think they're magnetic, but they don't hold the bit very well, and they end up, the screwdriver bit you put inside ends up falling out. If you've got it in your pouch, which I used to have, and it would drop out of the actual magnetic bit because it would lose its magnet, it's a nightmare. So what I ended up doing is buying one of these, which is your Wearer one. I'm sure there's other ones available, but this one is perfect, and it clicks in, so you can unclick it, take the bit out, and then when you put it in, pushes down like that. So satisfying. You'll see that action again. So hold up, and then boom. And then it's in there, and it doesn't come out. It's magnetic as well, so it's good for getting screws out of your pouch or just holding a screw in place. And it fits all bits, and it's so much easier. And I wish I'd spent money. I can't remember how much they were, but it was 10, 15, 20 pound for a screwdriver bit, which seemed excessive at the time, but worth its weight in gold really, because it's so much easier. The amount of times I used to faff around with this one, and I don't even know why I've still got it, because they are pretty useless. They've even got a bit, I think in the end I used to have to stick a bit of blue tack in the end to try and hold the drill bit in, because I thought that would be the best way to do it. It's not not even splashing out, just buy one of these. So much better. Can't emphasize enough how much you need one of these. And that's my tip of the day. There we go, there's my tip of the day. So hopefully that helped. Please hit like, please hit subscribe, and stay tuned for more. If you've got anything to add, please add a little message down below. Thank you very much.